ఇక ఎంసెట్ ఫలితాలను మంత్రి సబితా ఇంద్రారెడ్డి విడుదల చేస్తున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
I request Professor Chandra Mohan, co-convener, to present a bouquet to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Katta Narasimha Reddy garu. I request Professor Chandra Mohan to present a bouquet to Professor Manjur Hussain, Registrar of the University. Thank you very much. The first item of the program is the report by the convener, that's myself, about TSM set 2021. After that, we have addresses by all the honorable and distinguished guests on the dais. The TSM set 2021 has been decided, as usual, as computer-based test, CBT mode. Despite the COVID pandemic situation, government has taken a decision to proceed for conducting the sets, and particularly TSM set 2021. And we have organized this test in two streams, one as engineering and the second as AM, except the medical and dental, agriculture, pharmacy, dairy, technology related courses. And engineering has been conducted in 6 days, 6 sessions, 3 days, and AM for 2 days in 3 sessions. That was on 4th, 5th, and 6th for engineering, and similarly for the AM stream, 9th and 10th. And the attendance is around 89.71 for engineering and 91.19 for the AM streams. And biometric has been implemented despite the pandemic with the face recognition system, and lot of awareness is also created as usual, that we have to see that all the candidates understand this computer-based test and they practice them and see that they successfully understand the entire CBT process and they attend to the examination in the systematic way. A lot of awareness has already been given through our website, through you, that is the electronic and print media friends. And then we have also created FAQs in the website so that the students can understand what are their simple doubts or basic related things, and accordingly the clarifications are also provided so that they can participate in CBT in a systematic way and they will not be under confusion at any point in time. And the keys have been released, provisional keys. After that, we have kept in the website to see that they give objections. They may raise objections if any. And we have given 3-day time for engineering and also for AM streams. And subsequently, based on the objections that have been received, then we have also constituted the subject key experts, and objections have been reviewed, and the final decisions have been taken on that, and those final decisions are incorporated in the final result processing, and accordingly those things have been done. And as usual, since the CBT is conducted in multiple sessions, at the national level also, wherever there is a CBT test, then multiple sessions have to be conducted in view of the infrastructural lacuna. So from that perspective, there is no exemption even for the TSM set 2021. And we have conducted in 6 and 3 sessions, and accordingly, at the national level, the normalization process has to be implemented, and accordingly, the same formula, the same approach and procedures have been taken up with the experts in those lines, and this normalization process is done. And accordingly, the marks distribution is taken care. So as usual, a lot of awareness is also given about this normalization process to see that students understand this, because sometimes students may have some kind of apprehensions that they may get in the response sheet some qualified marks. However, they may get, some of them may get more marks, some of them may get marginal less marks. So all this happens in terms of the normalization process, and every year this is a regular practice, and we have done the same, and accordingly the results have been processed and the results are ready for the release of that, and the statistical reports would also be released by the Honorable Minister and other guests on the dais. And today, after releasing of these results, rank cards and results are available in our TSM set website, and candidates are advised to take their rank cards and keep ready for the admissions as per the schedules given. So for the entire process, on behalf of the TSM set 2021 committee and on my own behalf, I sincerely thank the Honorable Minister for Education, who has been a continuous support and driving force for us to excel in the education system, and other Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Honorable Minister for Animal Husbandry, Fisheries, Dairy Development Corporation, and Chief Secretary to the Government of Telangana, Higher Education Department, Chairman TSCHE, Vice Chairman, Secretaries, and the Principal Secretaries of the concerned departments, Commissioner of Technical Education, Commissioner of Intermediate Education, Honorable Vice Chancellor, and also the Chairman of TSMSET 2021, and Secretary of TSCHE, and other officials of TSCHE, Police Department officials, RTC, TS and AP, CMD TS, Transco, CMD Discoms, educational institutions, teaching and non-teaching staff of JNTU, and a team of subject experts, chief superintendents, observers, invigilators, and my colleagues and team members, co-convener, other officials of TSMSET 2021. I extend heartfelt thanks to all of them, particularly the electronic and print media, who have been a continuous support for us to see that a lot of awareness is given to the students about this set despite the COVID pandemic. So I thank all of you for this wonderful opportunity given to the JNTU Hyderabad and also for me. Thank you so much. Now I invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor and Chairman of TSMSET 2021 to address on this occasion.
Honorable Minister for Education, Sabita Indra Reddy Garu, then Chairman for State Council Higher Education, Ribadri Garu, former Chairman State Council for Higher Education, Papareddy Garu, then Rector of the University, Govardhan, who is also the convener of MSET, and Manzoor Hussain, the Registrar of the University, all media, prints and press and other invitees for this particular function. I am very happy that the opportunity was given to JNTU for conducting the MSET examination this year, as it was done earlier also. We thank Professor Papareddy for identifying JNTU, keeping the trust on JNTU in giving this opportunity for completion of the MSET examination. And today is the day where we are going to announce the results of MSET, and all the ranks will be declared by the Honorable Minister. And this day is particularly very important for me as a Vice Chancellor, because one is the releasing of the results, other one is the other close friends who are sharing this dais. And over a period of 40-45 years of my journey, an academic journey, I met several people and very fortunate to work with all of them and learn from all of them. Coming to the new chairman for AP State Council for Higher Education, Limbadri. Limbadri was a student when I was working at Nizamabad for a year. I went there to work as a lecturer in Giriraj Degree College, Nizamabad for 1 year. And very fortunate to, identify Limbadri at that time. He was a student. And today, I am really a proud teacher because Limbadri is occupying the highest chair in the education field today in the state. See, the journey